Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the Home Weather Office on this Thursday morning. It is now the 8th day of February, 2024. The month seems to be flying by. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the Home Weather Office, where as I look out the window, it's kind of cloudy. I had a little bit of sun a few minutes ago, but yeah, we still have some clouds hanging around, and I think that's the way the day is going to go. We'll continue to be seeing some clouds here and there. Pretty cool. A lot of temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s this morning. And even though we will break out into a little bit more sunshine this afternoon, it is going to stay cool. Average daytime high for Sacramento as of today is 61. Keeps climbing up, of course. By the mid to late March, it gets up to 70. But today we're going to be seeing daytime highs 50, 52, something like that. Not a bad day, and it will be dry, but yeah, we are still going to see rather cool day. So let me show you what's happening. Here is the little low that wrapped through our area during the day yesterday and brought us about a half an inch of rain in the valley and a few inches of snow in the Sierra. That's now making its way out through Southern California and in Northern California. There is a bit of sun here and there. It's tough to tell with the low sun angle, but there are some areas on the west side of the valley that are going to be a little bit brighter today, areas on the east side where we are going to see a bit more cloudiness, but that'll gradually be breaking up as we go through the day today. Now, we still have a couple of weather systems that are going to kind of drop down to the east. There's like one right in here, and as we go through the next couple of days, this is the HRRR. Some of these may occasionally touch off some snow flurries in the Sierra. This is tonight. Mostly on the east side of the Sierra with very light accumulations. And then here comes the next one that's going to brush by the area on Friday. We may have to include some snow showers for the Sierra on Friday afternoon or Friday night. I don't think this is going to be enough to really impact travel. But again, there could be some snow showers in there. But as I go through this again, you'll see that for the valley and the foothills, there really isn't anything there. This would mostly be on the east side of the Sierra where we could see some very, very light snow. So that gets us all the way through Friday and into very early Saturday morning. So we're generally dry, especially in the lower elevations for the next couple of days. So now that the weather pattern has turned a little bit quieter, we can turn to our 500 millibar charts and start to look out into Fantasyland, or at least the big picture, and see when we'll get back into some rain. So let me go ahead one frame here. Here we go. So this is this morning. Here's that wave that we had yesterday, now making its way out through Southern California, and behind it we have that cold north flow, as you can see right here, ridge building off the coast. And here are these little systems that kind of drive down the east side of the Sierra and through Nevada. Not much in the way of moisture, and that's why we just get snow flurries out of this. Now, this is getting into the day on Saturday. Nice ridge builds in. We will be dry. Cool mornings, but the afternoon should still be nice. And then as we get into Sunday, a little system goes by to our north, may give us a few clouds. If you're going to be, let's say, up around Redding, well, maybe even north of Redding, could be a couple of showers, but no big deal there. And then this is getting into the day on Monday. We're still dry. There's a little system that's going to go by on Tuesday. I'll show you that on the latest GFS here in a second. It looks as though there could be some light rain, let's say north of Butte County on Tuesday. In our area, we'll see a few clouds, but generally dry. Now we're getting into next Wednesday, and then finally next Thursday, we have a system coming our way. And it does look as though Thursday and beyond, we start to change the pattern up again. So we're talking a week away. A system going by here, a little bit of a break, and then another system comes by, and then a break, etc., etc. So this is getting into the time frame of next Thursday and into next weekend, and then all the way out to, let's say, the 20th. So let me show you the way all of this looks on this morning's GFS, just in terms of precipitation. So I'm just going to pick it up here on Sunday, Monday. Here comes that little system I talked about on Tuesday. Yeah, if the GFS is showing it this light and nothing really south of Highway 20, this is Tuesday evening, yeah, it'll probably be even weaker by the time it actually gets here. This is Wednesday, and then here comes that next system. This is Thursday, so when I get to work today, Thursday will be the day 7 on the 7-day forecast. We'll probably include some rain in that, but it doesn't look like it would be very much, not a storm, if you will, no wind, no flooding rains. There would best be an area of rain that goes by. And then that would break out on Friday. And then here comes the next one that may come through the following Saturday. But it too looks relatively weak but very beneficial. So over the next 6 days, we will be dry. We'll be in and out of clouds. Temperatures will gradually modify. Like I said, pretty chilly today and probably carrying into the day tomorrow as well. We'll see the temperatures get back up, and we'll eventually get daytime highs into the low 60s, maybe even for the weekend and early next week. And then as those next weather systems come our way, we'll probably stay warm-ish again. There'll probably be higher snow levels. So for those of you that saw snow yesterday down between 2,000 and 3,000 feet, these next systems would likely be warmer. But again, kind of details we can sort out by the time we get there. But if you just look at the trajectory coming up from the west and southwest, those would be warmer systems sending snow levels up to about 5,000 feet. And right now, anyway, from the morning models, and looking 7, 10 days out, 12 days out, none of these look as though they're really big or stormy, but more in the terms of beneficial, that we do need more rain, we do need more snow, because after all, we're going to be quickly approaching mid-February. And then from mid-February, we really only have about 6 weeks left of our really active rain season. You kind of button things up toward the end of March, early April. So we do need more systems to come our way, but in the meantime, we're going to get a bit of a break for the next 5 or 6 days. That's everything I've got for you this morning. It is Thursday. That means there will be a live chat tonight on Facebook at 8 o'clock. And of course, I'll be in the studio tonight at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.